This is the Ziopetru yarn holder. When it comes to you, it will be in a couple pieces. You need to put this here, screw that in, put these bumpers on the bottom, and then you'll need to screw in the top here. It has a really strong magnet right here, and it's made my yarn working so much easier. It works with cakes. You just stick it through the middle of the cake, put it on, and you are good to go. Pulling, 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 look how fast, and it just spins, spins, spins. And if you don't work with cakes, you can also work with skeins. Put it right up the middle of the skein, because we know that pulling from the center, you can get a lot of yarn guts. We don't want yarn guts, so we can use the outside, and we just go. Look, it pulls, pulls, pulls. Look how much swing is in this. It has a lot of swing. It can just go like that, and it does not disconnect. So I highly recommend this. You can work straight from a skein, or you can put this on while you're yarn balling to make a cake. Either way. So I do highly recommend it for the strength of magnet. Other ones don't have great magnet strength, and the construction. I use it just about every day. So it's great. Highly recommend it. It's Ziopetru. Thanks for watching.